much is 1 plus 1? Yes, that's 2. Great job. How much is 1 plus 2? Yes, that's 3. 1 plus 3? That's 4. And now 1 plus 4? That's 5, yeah. And 1 plus 5? That's 6. And now 1 plus 6? Yeah, that's 7. And 1 plus 7? Oh, that's 8, of course. This is difficult. 1 plus 8. Yeah, that's 9. Oh, 1 plus 9. Oh, it's difficult. That's 10. See you.